Hey there, so today I'm gonna install the new code editor called Cursor AI, which is to be said that it is a AI code editor where we can use the power of AI to build our programs or write programs. So it can faster our development, and by doing that it will increase our productivity. So I have already installed and download and installed the a cursor code editor. Now let's see what happens once we install that. So it is asking the keyboard type, then language. It is also supporting non-English language, but I am going to keep English. Then code base wide. I'm not sure what this is. I will keep as it is, and now I'm gonna continue this. So it is instantly asking me for importing VS Code extension. So yeah, I already have VS Code, and it is now asking for importing the extension. So yeah, I'm gonna use my extensions, and yeah, it will ask some permission to complete preference, continue with default or tab 9. I will keep default. Then data preference, I'm gonna keep privacy mode, and you are all set. Let's try to log in, but yeah, I don't have account, but let's try to log in with Google. Okay, now I am logged in, and as soon as we logs in, it is asking us. So it will be like a feature walkthrough, accept tab, like this. Then we will check this all later. My purpose is to use this in my WordPress development. So let's check the features for this. So yeah, it's tab always. It's similar to Copilot and tab 9. So it will predict our code by adding the tab, entering the tab. Multi-line edits, it's there in a VS Code as well. Smart rewrites. So what that is, this is okay. Yeah, so if you write something like this, it will convert into this. Cursor prediction, so yeah, by pressing the tab, it will predict the code. We can chat as well during our code. And this is instant apply, so apply suggestion from the AI. Code base answer, so some question answer related to your code, then we can reference our code. use images. So hit the image button under the chat, drag an image into the input box. Okay, we can use the image as well. If we want to ask question to the web, then write @web and start asking your question. We can add new documentation. It seems like it is using Composer as an agent. Find context, like select the text and then this reduce the need of manually add context. So using custom retrieval model, cursor can understand a code base. Okay, then run command. We can run command as well. Loops on error, cursor detect lint error and then automatically fixed it. Command K, which is I found interesting, where you select your line of code and then press command K and give instruction, then it will refactor your code. Then we can run terminal command as well. We can ask quick questions. So yeah, this is all about cursor. Yeah, I will explore a bit more, and then I will post more videos regarding the cursor AI. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section.